Inside this box is what is rumored to be the best Air Force One this year, and I can't wait to unbox this for you. This shoe is early, it's out on the 24th of June. I got my hands on it early. I want to share this box with you, share this experience of unboxing this shoe with you. And if you like Air Force Ones, you're going to want to see this. If you like Kobe Bryant, you're going to want to see this. A lot of gas about this, so I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get into this. And by the way, guys, welcome back to Tosh Kicks. There you go. Early look. How beautiful does that look? Looks incredible. You can see the white, you can see the Kobe signature, you can see the detail on the box. But let me take it out so you can appreciate this even more. So you can see in the box, you can see this beautiful white box there with the Kobe signature right there. You've got the Kobe logo, the Mamba logo there. You've got the Nike logo here, and then you got the label there, as you can see. So the label says Air Force One Low Protro, soft yellow, soft yellow. It's a UK 10, a US 11. My usual size is an 11, but in Air Force One, I tend to size down because obviously they fit quite big. You got this little hole thing there. What's this called, by the way, guys? I always read up on it and I forget what it is. But what's this called? If you know it, let me know in the comments. But you can see this feels really premium, glossy box, Kobe signature right there, and the Mamba snake effect all over it. You can't really see because of the white box, but this looks beautiful. Anyway, let's go into the box then. Open the lid. Even the lid feels premium. You know, sometimes when you open the lid and it just drops off. This feels right, solid shoe. There you go. So you got the beautiful paper there. I'm using the word beautiful a lot because this shoe just feels, it screams premium, screams quality. So I'm really impressed by it. You can see the Kobe paper there with the Mamba logo on it, across it. And then open the box and whew, look at that shoe. Oh my God, I didn't think I like it this way. This soft yellow jumps off the screen. Now let me hold it in hand. Got one lace, got two laces, and obviously the third one in the actual shoe itself. What we have here is a 2025 Kobe Protro Air Force 1 Frobe. So this shoe is to be released on the 24th of June 2025. Obviously, I've got them early and I thought, you know what, I'm going to jump on the camera quickly, jump in the studio and show you this shoe so you can decide if you actually do want to cop this shoe or not. So you've got the outsole, which is in purple. Beautiful, beautiful purple. I like the hits of it. Reminds me or gives me the feeling of the Lakers colorway. Obviously, Kobe used to play for Lakers, so that looks really lovely. And then you got the Kobe signature here by the heel, where you normally have Air Force One. You got the signature there. So you got the midsole, which is a lovely soft yellow, and you know, you got the yellow stitching across it as well. And as you go through the shoe, what you don't see from this angle is, even though it's predominantly this yellow, you got the purple hits tracing the whole shoe from the actual Nike swoosh to the actual midsole to the actual mid part of the shoe, all the way to the toe box. You got that purple, tracing that, which kind of makes it look a bit different, makes it feel premium. And then you go to the toe box there, which is a very, I don't know, let me see, I do the press test. Can you see the quality of that buttery leather there? That it feels really premium in hand. This is probably the best quality Air Force One I've ever had. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not the biggest Air Force One fan. I have quite a few of them, but in terms of quality of the leather, right, this is the best I've seen in a long time, right? So that almost feels like two types of leather, right? So in the mid part of the shoe, you can see there, you can see it's pebbled leather. I don't know if you can see that. So there's pebbled leather there. I'm gonna get closer to the camera so you can see that's pebbled leather. Then it moves to more of a smooth leather as you go towards the toe box. The actual toe box itself is really smooth leather, but premium. So if you touch it, it bounces back. You can feel how soft light leather is in hand. On the other side, again, the same continues on the other side as well. You can see the Nike swoosh with that purple tracing I was describing all around it. Now, I've seen this already, I put it out, but I've held back showing to you just yet because this is probably one of the best part of the shoe, and that's the back tab. Look at that, a beautiful massive 8 on the back of it, obviously Kobe's jersey number. take a minute and take this in. Look at how lovely that is, right? Incredible. And then, so you got this 8 there, again, traced by the same purple as well, which is quite cool. Look at how thick this insole is, right? This is a React foam insole. This, hence the name Protro, right? Because they've changed it. They've essentially, what Protro does, or the whole idea behind Protro for Kobe is enhancing the classic. And this is enhances Air Force 1 classic. Look at how thick that insole is. It's got the React foam, as you can see there. So you know you're gonna wear this shoe, you can probably wear it all day, every day, and you'll be comfortable. And then actually, as you go through the insole, you can see the detailing on the insole. I mean, I've never spent this much time on an insole in my life, but look at it. It's got all the skin of a snake, the effect, the snake skin effect on it. As you can see, as you go in there, all around the shoe, you can see all of that there. You can see that effect there, and then you got the night tick on the top bit there. But look at how thick this insole is. Now, the inspiration of this shoe is actually in the actual insole as well. So you can see Kobe's picture there in his pajamas. This is after Kobe broke his finger, right? So you can see he's got a cast on and is practicing in his pajamas there with a, I think it's called a peonies on top of that. So he's got his pajama bottoms there, which inspires the laces. So you can see the laces there is from the plaid pajama bottom he's got there. So that's the level of detail they've gone to. I don't know if you've ever seen an insole this thick in an Air Force 1 before. Also to my shot kings out there, date, put the shoe on. So anyway, I'm being silly. So yeah, look at the insole is crazy. Look at how thick the laces are. So they're not your normal size Air Force 1 laces. Look at that, thick laces in purple. There's one in tall yellow, and obviously the one I described, which is the color of Kobe's pajama bottom, in that white and grey and dark grey, as you can see there. And then obviously the tab itself has got the Kobe logo there. As you can see, the Mamba logo, as you can see that. Like I said, it comes out on the 24th of June for £120. I think it's about $140, $150. So a bit more pricey than your normal Air Force 1. But I'm telling you what, guys, I couldn't recommend this shoe enough, because look at the quality. Look at the insole. Look at the insole. This is just the insole, you know. Then the actual buttery leather here, and the amount of laces you have, the quality of the laces, the thickness of it. Yeah, I'll give it another 360 of this shoe, because I think you need to fully take this shoe in. From the box to the shoe to the laces, everything screams quality. And I'm going to throw this on feet for you so you can see how you can style this. I reckon for summertime, shorts, baggy trousers, cargos. Listen, anything you fancy with this Air Force 1, it's good to go. Air Force 1 are generally very, very comfortable anyway, and this is going to be even extra comfortable because of the insole, because of the build quality. And yeah, so if you're going to buy one Air Force 1 this year, if it's only one Air Force 1 you want to buy this year, it has to be this one. I'm telling you that now. Even this is better than the Supreme ones. Incredible shoe. Let me know what you think of this shoe in the comments. Let me know how you style it. Let me know, if it's something that you want to pick up. For £120 as well, you can't really go wrong. And yeah, I've got to show you this 8 again, guys. Look at that. Look at the back of that. Incredible. So yeah, really short one today. I just wanted to stop and show you this shoe. This is the first time I'm seeing it, so I probably need to take it all in, digest it, but I've got to tell you, quality wise, the leather wise, everything about this shoe just screams premium quality. So I would recommend picking this shoe up if you're an Air Force 1 fan or a Kobe fan. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of the shoe. Let me know what you think of the shoe in the comments. Let me know if you're a Kobe fan, if you're an Air Force 1 fan, all that kind of good stuff. Appreciate you watching this with me. Like I said, it's a quick unboxing, quick in-depth review. All I can say is the shoe screams quality. It's a definitely must cop. It's staying in the collection. And yeah, let me know what you think of it on feet as well, if it looks good on feet. Thanks a lot. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you pick this up in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and God bless you.